So I just purchased a ring light from Walmart. It was like $29 or $28 and some change, and we're getting ready to open it. So it looks like this ring light, it's an 8-inch selfie ring light studio with 51-inch extendable tripod and phone holder. So we're gonna open this baby up, see what's in here, and then I will use it and tell you if it's good or bad. It's definitely child-proof and adult-proof, so that's cool. No, it's just little stickers, guys, don't worry. Okay, so box open. We got some here. So it looks like we have this nifty tripod here. And then there's a box right here that has some other cool stuff in it. Oh, here's the phone holder apparatus. Cool. Oh, there's something else. Hang on. And then it looks like we have some more accessories to hold a phone or to hold this one right here. If you can take it out of the packet. Good Lord. Sorry, Lord. Okay, so this one right here is going to be for an actual camera that you dial in. So you can either use this for the camera or you can use this for your phone. So pretty cool stuff. And then this is the tripod that holds everything. Recording? Alright, that's fantastic. That one doesn't record very long. And hey, if you're getting value out of this video, please be sure to subscribe and go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you will get a notification every time I upload a new video. And I do upload videos on creative living. And to get more creative with my living, I have decided to purchase this ring light. So here is the actual ring light. It is small. It did say 8 inches, so that's what she said. I guess small's not that small. So here we go. We have the ring light, that, got our tripod. Open this baby up. Okay, there we go. Oh, cool. Okay, so and the tripod has got. Okay, this tripod is cool because it has the same little deal on it that you could use for your camera. So if you didn't even want to use if you just needed a tripod for your camera, you could use this tripod, so that's cool. Right here we have the adjuster deal, so you untwist it so you can move it up. Right, and then you take, and there might be instructions in the box, I don't know, but this is how you do it. So, and you're gonna screw it in, there's a little, let's see, can we get picture this little screwy thing. So you just start screwing this baby in, and you keep screwing until keep screwing until it's tight, but don't over screw because well, that's bad. Yeah. Moving right along. Let's go ahead and open this baby up. Okay, so here we have another little screwy thing to lock this once it's done. So it's unlocked right now because it's unscrewed. We're gonna open it. Kind of. We're gonna open it. I mean, it came from Walmart, so I don't want to break it, but I wanted to show you guys this. Okay, there we go. We're good. So if you just kind of like that. Okay, so I'll open it, and then I'm gonna screw this in so it stays. Now, let's see here. Okay, so now we're gonna take and let me show you guys. Right here, there's like a little pushy lock thing. So you're gonna pull it up. Let's get the cord out of the way. And you can go, I mean, you can, if you're sitting on the floor, do it low. If you're standing, do it high. We'll just see how high it can go. Can you show our viewers how high it can go? I might actually have to read the directions. Okay, so once you get it stretched up how you want it, give it a little twist, okay, and then it stays. And then the other one, little twist, and it stays. Pull it up, little twist, and it stays. So, it's not the tallest tripod, but the way, are you still recording? Okay. It's not the tallest tripod, but the way that this sits on here, you could use any tripod. So that's totally cool. Directions. Loosen this to move things around. Whew, there we go. Okay, so you want your selfie stick like this, and then this is gonna go like this. So, what you're going to do, there's this little metal thing right here, and there's also this little black thing. Pop the black thing up. Okay, pop the metal thing up. You gotta twist it. So, oops, wrong way. Okay, there we go. So once you get this, there's an interior thing right here that's kind of like rubbery, and you have to twist it to get it to the right spot. So then you open it, and you put it on your tripod. Now the back doesn't actually, oh wait, okay, yes, it does actually have a clip. So let's look at the back here really quick. So once you put it on, okay, good thing I didn't have nails, you can just clip it in right here to one of these are little grooves. So you just do that, clip it in. And then to get your, whoa, and then you can go down, up, however you want your phone, okay? And then also, what you'll do is you'll put your phone in here. You'll just pull it open, put your phone in. So let me see if I can find a phone. Do we have a phone around here I could borrow? Okay, good. Okay, so found the phone. What you're gonna do is just put the phone in the grip, make sure it's in there good because you don't want your phone to fall, and then just position it however you want. So if you're trying to do something crazy from the ground, you do that. If you're trying to do it up, do that. And there you have it. You can move it in any direction. If you want it to go down further, you can bring it down or up or however you want it. So that is how you set this ring light up. What we're gonna do now, oh, it plugs. Okay, so this is interesting. I thought it would plug into a outlet, which I mean it will, but it appears to be there is a USB cord and some fancy little buttons that we can push to turn the light on and off. So we're gonna check those out next. Okay folks, so we went ahead and found a USB plug right here. So we're just gonna plug the, I can never do these right, plug it in. All right, plug it in, okay, sorry. And then we're just gonna go to this wall outlet here, yes, and plug it into that. All right, so once you plug it in, you're gonna notice, as long as your outlet is turned on, don't plug it into a light switch outlet. Okay, so we had to cut there. So we have these little buttons right here, and like I showed you guys, the plus turns up the brightness, the minus turns down the brightness, and then of course we have the power button. Then we have this swirly button right here, and what this swirly button does is it changes the color of your lighting. So for example, if you want your lighting to be a cooler tone, you'll be able to do that, and I'm going to show you in a minute. Or if you want your lighting to be a warmer tone, turn this on, and as you can see, whoops, as you can see, there's the normal light. What I'm going to do now is push, I'm gonna mash that button. Okay, so let's see what this little swirly button does. Okay, so I'm gonna push it once. Okay, gives it a little bit bluer light, pretty dang cool. Okay, another again, a little bit bluer. There you got your yellower light, your more warm tones. And it looks like we're back to normal again. And then we're, yep. Oh no, it keeps going, so that's a little bit less yellow. So there's several different settings depending on the type of video that you want to shoot. Okay guys, so this is the ring light, and here's the phone apparatus. Once again, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. It'll help push my videos out to other folks that enjoy displays of ring lights and things like that. I promote creative living on my channel, so I encourage you to subscribe.
Hey guys, thanks again for watching. If you enjoy review videos, be sure to check out the playlist on the screen. There's also another playlist on creative living that you can binge on for hours. I'll see you in the next video.